Do you really think that previous year's exams paper are helpful in preparation of upcoming exams? I think it gives us an imaginary feeling of exam, which helps to identify the pattern of exam. It also helps to overcome the fear of exams. It is just my opinion, and if you think so, then let's try to analyze previous year's question papers. In this video, we have taken paper of JPV LDC 20% of Mumbai division, which was held in 2021. Before going to a start, I want to introduce you my third engineer, 3, who will show snaps from different codes, manuals, books, letters, etc. to justify the answer. Let's go to the first question. 52 kg rail height. There are 4 options given, and this is a simple data based question. So let's see which is the right answer. 156 mm is the right answer for this question. Then how can we justify this? We can justify this by the snaps of the manual. Mr. 3, kindly see the snap please. Here you can see that column number 4, A, below A 156 is written. This is the rail height of 52 kg. So the answer D is okay. Let's go to the next question. In this question, minimum length of permanent closure on the running line. And the right answer is 11 meter. Let's verify from the manual. Mr. 3, kindly show the F-snap please. As per a snap of IRPWM, you can see here permanent rail closure in running line should not be less than 11 meter in length. However, on section having maximum speed up to 100 kmph, minimum length of permanent rail closure can be 5.5 meter. So the generalized answer is 11 meter. Minimum length of temporary rail closure on LWR. Among the 4 options, option A is the right answer, 4 meter. Let's verify from the manual. In this snap of IRPWM, you can see if a building part is not readily available, the fracture shall be repaired by using a cut rail that should not be less than 4 meter, that is 4 meter longer. So in LWR, not less than 4 meter rail can be introduced. So our answer is okay. Let's go to the next question. Night footplate inspection done by JEE SSC sectional. This is also database question. Let's see what is the answer. The answer is 1 month. Now let's verify. Mr. 3, kindly show the snap please. According to the snap, you can see here the schedule is once in a month by SSPB in charge and JPB sectional. Let's go to the next question. Inspection of gang tools by in charge SSCPB. For this specific question, we have taken a snap from the previous manual because in the new manual, such type of inspection is not given. So the right answer is 2 months. We can verify from the previous manual. In para 124, 1 and D. Here it is written, he should examine all the gang tools at least once in 2 months and arrange for repair and replacement as necessary. So let's go to the next question. Inspection of passenger turnout by in charge SSCPB alternate. This is also database type question. The answer is 3 months. Let's verify from the manual. You can see passenger and running lines once in 3 months on rotation by SSBB in charge and JPB sectional. Next question, please. Other than the coldest and hottest month of the year, inspection by JPB the LWR on alternate basis. Let's see the right answer. The right answer is 2 months. Mr. 3, kindly show the snap. From the snap, you can see that once in fortnight during 2 hottest and 2 coldest months on the rotation by SSBB in charge and JPB sectional, and otherwise once in 2 months on rotation by SSBB in charge and JPB sectional. Next question. Inspection of the level crossing alternate by JPB. What is the right answer? The right answer is 1 month. Let's verify. From the snap, you can see here SSBB in charge and JPB sectional will inspect all level crossing once in a month by rotation. Next question. Service life of 60 kg 90 UTS rail. 4 option is given and the right answer is 800 GMT. Let's verify from the manual. You can see here 90 UTS 60 kg per meter rail is 800. So our answer is right. I want to add some more words. In the recent letter issued by the Railway Board, the section where RGM is applied, 60 kg 90 UTS rails life have been increased to 1000. Next question, please. How much gap is kept on the machine joint? Machine joint is also known as gapless joint, and gapless means 0. Let's check it. Yes, 0 is the right answer. Let's verify from the manual or other letters. Mr. 3 has shown the piece circular number 31 / 2012 / track from the Hajipur division. Here you can see in the last line, literally it is not a gapless, rather joint bits less gap. Actually, in a gapless joint or machine joint, maximum gap can develop up to 3.5 mm. Illustration is given here. Thank you.